There's a good jump. And another jump. Whoa! Hey guys, Mike here. We're going to do the running video today for the little Rambler I got here. Little man's here. He's excited. We're doing this outside, of course, and it's quite windy today, as you can see. Very dry. The leaves are falling off the tree. That's how dry it is, and the leaves are blowing across my driveway even though I just swept it. But anyways, 2.4 gigahertz. This is the clone of the little Losi Micro T. This is the stadium truck version. Check the notes. It also comes in short course truck and buggy. One thing I misstated in the unboxing video, it looked like this thing took 2 AA's. It actually takes 4 AA's. This above here also is the trim for steering to get it centered, so it works good. It came with that little yellow ramp there, but I also have a Losi cardboard ramp that I bought years ago, and you just buy it and fold it all together. So we're gonna drive it around here, give it a little test, and we'll see if we can aim it and jump it off these jumps.
Yep.
But it looks pretty good so far.
Yep.
So let's give it a go.
All right.
All right. So it is tracking slightly to the left, so hopefully we can straighten it out. The driveway has tire grooves on it. You may not be able to see it in the video, but my vehicle's parked over here, so down by my feet where I'm standing right now is some grooves that will make a little car like this go right to left. So don't be thinking that it's the bad steering on the RC itself. So let's do some jumps. So just to give you a little thing here, this is a speed pass. Not too bad. I'd say it's about 10 kilometers, 10, 12. It's hard to say at this speed. Whoa! Yeah! Oh! Let's move that one over here. Missed! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Did a roll.
Oh, miss.
There's a good jump. And another jump. Whoa! Flippy flip. Now guys, it ain't easy lining up a 132 scale car for a 132 scale ramp. The black one's a lot easier to hit. This little yellow one takes some practice. Whoa!
Yes.
There's a good one. Steering is very responsive on these little ones. Woo! So there you guys, I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to let the little man have a turn at it. He's been wanting to do it. So we'll run out the footage of him doing some driving. Guys, take care. We'll catch you on the next one. This was the Rambler. I'll leave a link in the notes. Thanks for tuning in to Mike's RC Corner, and we'll catch you on the next one. Alright, peace out. Let's go, bud. Whoa! Whoa!